Tukirongoreria kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, ndagitari umwe ni akinyitio igoti-ini agithitangirwo gukorwo na thukuru wa kurutana urigiti atari na marua. Ndagitari Moses Jue na murwe Lemwer Muriithi ni makanire thitango iyo kuhetukira wakiri wao John Abul uria ugite mari na marua ma guthomithia kothi cia urigitani. Eri acio mauma mbere ya mucirithania Philip Mutua. Oturi kaunti-ini ino, Ngavana Mutahi Kahiga ni akumithitie tharikiro ya MCA wa wadi ya Magutu Pauline Wanjira iria iramutigire na nguraro njuru uthiu. Kahiga ni augite ni giconoko kinene kuona atongoria makirua handu ha gwetha uiguano na njira ya kwaraniria.
It is really wrong for any person of whichever gender to resort to violence when people cannot agree. There must be and there are better ways of solving differences between individuals, between people. And what we really saw is not right. It doesn't portray the Nyeri man.
Tukihugura kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, gikundi kia aikari a kaunti iyo ni mareganite na maumirira ma riboti imwe ya uthuthuria maria monanitie ati thirikari ya kaunti iyo ni roya makinya magiriru ma uthii wa na mbere. Aikari aya maugite kaunti iyo ni ikoretwo na mathina maingi muno makiria kugumirwo ni giko.
Sasa niliomba sana tuletewe kama gari mbili hapa. Sababu gari mbili tukishapata patakuwa hakuna matatizo tena mengine atakataka kumwagwa chini.
Watu wanaona tu at least anafanya kazi mzuri kwa unajua political relationship inaonekana ufanye the public. Wana at least unafanya kitu. Anafanya kitu by the takataka kikusanyika hapa anakuja anazoa at least lakini inakaa sana bana mpaka hata wengine atuli lunch.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, igoti ni rirugametie mihango o yothe ya kwamura minister wa mai na maria maturigiceirie thutha wa John Mugwe uria uratunyukithirio giti kiu kwandikithia cira igoti-ini akiregana na Ngavana wa kaunti iyo Ferdinand Waititu akiuga arakinyanirie itua riu atekurumirira watho.
We'll be coming back to argue the main application on 29th of May, but now, for now, no appointment is allowed to go on by the Honorable Court. That's the gist of what has happened in court.
This is a big win. It is for me, it's a big joy. I thank the people of Kiambu who have prayed ceaselessly for me. I've received thousands and thousands of messages.
Kameme TV mohoro-ini ma county. Getu wa Gari Maria wa Muigana.